I'm Dave. What we're going to do here is go over all the steps to bring your Doom mod to life and then publish it as an official Doom plus Doom 2 mod. Whether it's a single level WAD, and WAD is our file format, which means where's all the data, or a feature length megawad, we'll lightly cover pretty much everything. This will not be a deep dive, but rather touch on necessary concepts and give you a jumping off point to explore the finer points and find your voice using the tools at hand. Welcome to Chapter 3. This time we'll be jumping into WACED and making a couple of small adjustments as well as looking at the program's more broad capabilities. What we'll be doing is changing select text strings, which means item pickups, kind of your UI text. Changing ammo max values, so you can make adjustments to those things, like if you want your capacity for shotgun to go down because it's too much, you can do that. If you want to increase it, whatever you want. Examining animation data. And lastly, exporting your DEH file. So we're going to start with a new file. Boom is fine. Our iWAD will be, oh, where do we save that? There we go. Oh, no, that's Doom 2. Sorry. And our PWAD. I still mix those up sometimes. We'll do that. So let's start with just a string. Let's see all these in-game messages that we can mess with. All we're going to do right now is, because we have a shotgun in the game, we're going to find that. And we're simply going to change it to, you got a boomstick. Very, very easy. Within here, you can actually change your like your level names and what have you. However, those changes don't universally reflect. Now you're gonna do those instead with dehacked, or not dehacked, with UMAP info. Apologies. Look at ammo. We'll go ahead and, we mentioned shells, we'll change that one. Still call them shells. You know what? Let's change this to buckshot. Maximum ammo, let's make it 25. We'll change, just for shits and giggles, we'll change that to 5. Okay? So cheats, all these things, you can change your just various info. We change our max health or armor, starting health, all those things. Change the properties of all these different things. States, which is like animation states. You know what we'll do here? We're going to change these we're going to decrease the number of frames that is active just by 1. Just to speed them up a little bit, because the pistol is a little slow, isn't it? I think so. And we're not gonna merge here. We're gonna do that within Slade to keep everything uniform and easy. We're gonna save as. Mod toot.deh. And that's it. That's it. There's a lot you can do with this. Explore, have fun. This is actually a patch file, so you can fiddle with this to your heart's content and just undo it. Just pull it out of the wad if you don't like it. It's very flexible. And until next time.